Welcome to the Northern Care Alliance NHS Group. Our hospitals and community services provide care to families and individuals across Bury, Oldham, Rochdale and Salford, with thousands of patients receiving care every day. We know that since the COVID-19 pandemic began, it has been a challenging time for everyone, and we understand that it can be worrying if you need to access any of our healthcare services right now. At Northern Care Alliance, the safety of our patients, service users and staff is our number one priority, and we have been working hard to put in place strict safety measures for anyone attending our hospitals and services.
Welcome to the Northern Care Alliance. As a result of the COVID-19 pandemic, we have made some changes to the way we provide care. This is to keep you and our staff as safe as possible from exposure to COVID-19. There are some simple things you can do during your stay to help us with this, and this short informational film explains how you can help us keep yourself, other patients and our staff safe and secure during your stay. Whilst you're staying in hospital, it is even more important to follow the hands, face and space guidance just as you would do at home.
Please remember to wash your hands regularly using alcohol hand gel or soap and water. It's particularly important to wash your hands after you've touched your face mask, before eating and drinking, after using the toilet, and any time you may have touched something that others may have touched, like door handles.
If you can, please wear a face mask which the ward staff will provide for you. This is particularly important when you are leaving the area immediately around your bed. If you can't tolerate a face mask, then a face covering may be used. However, these provide less protection than a face mask. If you cannot tolerate any face covering, please discuss this with your nurse in confidence and they will support you.
Please keep a distance of 2 meters from other patients where you can. Please don't have contact with other patients or sit on their chair or their bed. Please don't share items with other patients such as food, newspapers, magazines or toiletries, as this can increase the risk of infection.
During your stay, you will be tested for COVID-19. A swab will be taken of your nose and throat, and in some circumstances, a specimen will also be taken. The results will be made available either the same day or the following day. Depending on how long you're in hospital for, you will be retested for COVID-19 during your stay, in line with national guidelines. If you have any questions, please ask the nurse looking after you, who will be happy to help you. In the unfortunate circumstance that you do come into contact with someone who has tested positive for COVID-19, your nurse will inform you and let you know what you need to do.
Unfortunately, strict visiting restrictions are in place during the pandemic, keeping the number of people in our hospitals to a minimum and reducing the risk of infection. If you need support with staying in touch with family or loved ones or receiving personal items, please speak to your nurse and they will do everything they can to help. Full details of our visiting policy and visiting support services during the pandemic can be found on our website.
Finally, it's up to all of us to remember that in order to keep our hospital and community sites safe, secure and here for everyone now and in the future, we all have a part to play. So please, remember when visiting us. Use the right entrances and exits. Sanitize your hands on arrival. Wear a face mask on our sites at all times. Maintain social distancing. Keep movement around the site during your stay to a minimum. Follow our visitors policy. See our website for more details. Let's stay safe, secure, and here for everyone. It's in our hands. Thank you.